If you're looking for the best Bluehost pricing plan, don't go directly to the Bluehost website. Instead, click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. This special Bluehost link automatically unlocks the latest promotional pricing, which you may not see if you visit the homepage directly. Once you're on the Bluehost pricing page, you'll see 4 hosting plans. If you're building your first WordPress website or blog, I recommend the one-site plan. At just $1.99 per month on the 36-month term, it's the most affordable Bluehost plan and includes one website, a free domain for the first year, free SSL, CDN, AI website builder, malware scanning, DDoS protection, weekly backups, and 24/7 chat support. For most beginners, this is all you need. If you want to host multiple websites, choose the starter plan. Running a growing business, Business Essentials adds phone support, malware removal, domain privacy, and stronger security. Planning to sell products online? E-commerce Essentials includes WooCommerce, Stripe and PayPal integration, subscriptions, and affiliate features. For 99% of beginners, the one-site plan at just $1.99 per month offers the best value. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to get the latest Bluehost discount before this promotional price changes.